Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Lauren's dying. We got Dylan and we got Jordan way in the back there. We're heading to Tennessee to pick up a trailer right now, and then we're gonna be picking up another surprise on the opposite side of Tennessee that I'm not gonna let you guys know about yet. Where are we, dude? Waffle House. You always gotta make a stop at Waffle House when you venture out of Michigan. It's probably our favorite breakfast place for drift days, and oh yeah, all-star special. Get that chocolate chip waffle and that big meal. We got everybody getting out of the Suburban Inn right now. We're gonna grub out and hit the road again. Yeah, we're about 15 minutes from the trailer place, and getting really excited, man. I've never owned an open trailer before. This is gonna be really cool buying my first trailer. We're pretty excited in here. As you can tell, we've been driving for about 9 hours. Hell yeah, brother. All right, here she is. New trailer, 20 foot. What do you think, Dilly?
I like it.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Wood deck, we didn't do the steel because we're in Michigan, so this is just easier to replace. But she's a long girl. Here we are, guys, stopping to get some food. Just picked up the trailer. Made it about 30 minutes. We're gonna hit the habanero. Lighting's kind of shitty here, but we just made it to the Best Western just outside of Nashville. Just past it, actually, heading towards Memphis. We got about a 3-hour drive in the morning. We made it here. Everything's good so far. The rig, Jordan, sleepy girl. We're gonna go check in. We'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Whoa.
Keep smelling it.
Whoa, here we are. Look at this. Class A. Oh.
I take these hogs off.
Ooh, that's a good feeling after driving.
I didn't drive.
I know. I did all the driving. What do you think, Lizzie? You tired?
I think I'm tired.
She's sleepy. Sleepy pregnant girl. Well, we got up at about 7 a.m. Hit the road. Got about an hour and a half of driving under our belt. And look where we ended up back at. Old Faithful. What do you think about Waffle House, Lizzie?
I love Waffle House.
You love it?
I love Waffle House.
We're gonna get some grub. About an hour and a half from Memphis. And then you guys will get to see the surprise we got. Well, guys, take a look what we got here. E46 Wago, factory manual, slick top, ultra rare. What do you think, Dilly?
I like it, dude.
You like
A little bit
it?
of work, but it should be good.
Matches the cheetah car, same color. The mommy wagon. We're here at Forrest's shop. Go take a look inside here in a second. This is Forrest right here.
What's up?
Got him doing some dyno tuning. What ECU?
It's
Uh-oh. It's not a good one. It's definitely not a good one. He's stuttering. Got these sick wheels over here.
It's old school.
Oh, okay. We'll look at Forrest's shop. Turbo Donk. Well, we made it to our pit stop in Indiana. We're here at Riverside Ryan's house. Hopefully I don't have to block out any address. He's got one of the rental 350Zs in here. This is a car that you can rent at Riverside. They rent this out for the weekend or for a day. Cool thing. He's got his little hillbilly four-wheeler. He's got a, I don't even want to know what he does with that thing on the wall over there. Looks like there might be a hole drilled into the center of it or something. And here he is, man himself. We got Flick here. We got Flicky. So we got Ryan's sim setup here. It's a little interesting setup. He's a little bit Harry Potter themed here. He likes doing the under the stairs sim. Thought this would be a good laugh for you guys. This is where all the training happens. Well, we're about to hit the road to do the last sprint of the drive home. Ryan just got his car back from paint. Real nice and sparkly. His FC. Thanks for the hospitality to the Riverside family. Back in the car we go. Well, we got home from the trip and had an unexpected basement leak.
Spring-fed fountain.
We had about 4 inches of water in here, so we had to gut all the drywall and all the framing. I'll take you guys upstairs, and we end up having to order a dumpster. We got this whole bad boy full of stuff from the basement because there was about 4 inches of water. This house right next door here is abandoned, or the kid passed away that lived in it, and apparently the bank didn't know that, and pipe froze and was pouring thousands of gallons of water underneath the house, and it came right into my house. So that's super cool. So now we're doing some basement repairs. But thanks for watching the videos. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.